Welcome to Chrysantilus. Chrysantilus is a realm of actualization, all about making space for mindful moments and getting what you need out of life. Today, I'm waking up at Burning Man. Festival culture is all about evolving consciousness and generating a sense of unity, hope, and possibility. This is a quote by Alex Grey that I believe is particularly applicable to Burning Man. Though Burning Man is also a city, it is the largest arts festival or celebration of art in the world. It's easy to get swept up in the ceaseless windy energy of Black Rock City. One of the ways I was able to combat this sweeping was with grounding practices. The first one of these being my morning routine. Quick aside, I'm making another video about how I stayed grounded at Burning Man, so check that one out. I wake up between 7:30 and 8:30 every morning to get ahead of my day. I do some dream journaling, and then I peep what I have planned for the day. Let's see, it's Tuesday, so my morning routine video, which I'm recording right now, volunteering, massages, a workshop, and a twerkshop. Before I got out of bed, and between each step in my morning routine process, I drank water. This water doesn't look like water. It's actually because it has electrolyte powder in it. But trust me, you want to stay hydrated all day, and that starts in the morning. I strap on my sandals and make my way over to the porta pots. It's a beautiful morning in Anahasana village, so I enjoy the walk, the sun, and the temporary quiet. Giant, empty domes. I pass by the Mansonian Museum and read a bit about Burning Man history. Whew, and I've finally made it to the bathroom. The next part of my routine is hygiene. It's crucial at Burning Man, especially if I went to bed the previous night without washing up. I use my camp's communal sink for the beginning and the end of my brushing. Out here, water is 1,000 to 2,000 times more expensive than it is in the outside world, so it's important that we don't overuse it, especially for personal hygiene. Next, I head back to my fairy tent. I'm working on a tent tour video right now, so please look out for that as well. As the sign says, my neighborhood is Kodiak Country, and yes, my tent is a 10 by 14 size Kodiak. I make my bed for the day, I clean up a bit around my tent. As I talked a bit about in my other videos, not having a clean and organized living space at Burning Man can drain a lot of your sanity points, so you want to make sure you have an environment that you can look forward to returning to at the end of every day. Burners quickly find that your external burn is often an internal reflection of your state of mind. This feedback is also true for surrounding yourself in spaces that give you peace of mind. It's a loop. I open up my suitcase to pick out my outfit for the day. I'm keeping all of my clothes organized in Ziploc bags to ward off dust. Quick aside, I really don't like to use these a lot in the outside world. I am also using some Amazon suitcase cubes. I'll link some of these in the description. They're life-saving. Organizing my clothes and belongings helps me save time because I know exactly where what I want is, and I don't waste time senselessly looking for anything I might have misplaced. Trust me, I've been there, and I swear it took hours off my first burn. This ain't my first rodeo, and I'm better prepared this time around. I pick out my black sequined belly dance top and some breezy jade pants. I know I'm going to be on my feet a lot today, so I dress more comfy than cute. Before I put my makeup on, I applied a medium-high SPF sunscreen to my face. Next, I do my makeup. Makeup is something I wear less often in the outside world, but I always have a fun time gussying up. So here we are. Because I have so much extra time before my first shift today, I decide to cut out some fairy decals in addition to my look. I go with hearts just because it's how I'm feeling. Side note, this look was a hit with my camp, and I spent some of my evening with new and old friends designing fairy makeup looks for the night. Sharing is always one of the most fun things you can do at Burning Man, so of course, I had a blast. Next, I put on my sunscreen and sunglasses, then I reach for my oil. This is an oil I get from the Los Angeles Farmers Market. It's an all-natural white tea oil from a stall called Essence of Nature. I've been rocking it since I was in college, and it's my favorite oil scent to date. It's important that I'm aware of my scents and that I dig them. For me, this isn't just part of hygiene, but it's also a courtesy when sharing a lot of intimate space with tens of thousands of people every day. I'm not trying to funk it up. So getting ready at Burning Man takes 3 times the time and space as getting ready in the outside world. That's why you want to give yourself all the extra time you can spare so that you're in no big rush to get anywhere. Finally, after 2.5 hours, my morning routine is complete. I grab some breakfast from my camp and I'm off to my morning greeter volunteer shift at Anahasana Village.
Hello, welcome to Anahasana Village. Would you like a pamphlet? If you have any questions, I'm here.
I had an incredible rest of my Tuesday and a fantastic rest of my burn. Please feel free to check out this channel for more Burning Man videos from Metamorphosis. If you're on Instagram, you can get with the realm at Chrysantilus. Thank you so much for joining me in Black Rock City this morning. Hope to see you again soon.